Come away with me to the bird bar. Come join the bird bar, fun and games there'll be. Come and see what's on at the bird bar.
Who will be first at the bird bath today? It's Mo Sparrow.
I wonder where Bob Robin is. He said he'd meet me here.
What's that in the water?
Boo! Bob, you gave me a fright.
Sorry, Mo. I was just playing.
I may have to rest. Such a shock.
Really?
No, not really. Just playing.
You got me.
See if you can get me.
Coming, ready or not.
Come on, bird brain.
I'll catch you, Featherface.
Watch out for Guy Magpie's nest, Bob.
Oops.
Oops.
Oh, no. Guy Magpie's nest is broken.
Look what I've done.
It's my fault. You were chasing me.
What shall we do?
We'd better go and tell Herbert Heron. He'll know what to do.
Let's go. Oops, wrong way. Wait for me.
Here's Herbert Heron.
Herbert, we were playing chasey, and Mo went up, and I went down, and I bumped Guy's nest, and it fell, and it broke, and...
Whoa, calm down, young Bob. What's the matter, Mo?
I think you'd better come with us.
Mo explains that Guy Magpie's nest is broken.
So Bob bumped into the nest and it fell and broke.
It was an accident. I'm so sorry.
Yes, I'm sure it was, young fellow, me bird. There's only one thing for it.
What's that?
Guy Magpie won't be back for a while. So if we hurry, we can make him a new nest.
Really?
Whoopee!
We'll need everyone's help to make it in time. Tally-ho!
Sometimes you get too excited, sometimes you're too keen. Sometimes you break something when you didn't mean to be mean. Bob and Mo played chasey with a crash bang hullabaloo. Bob and Mo knocked the nest to the ground, and they don't know what to do. Boo-hoo, they don't know what to do. Sometimes you get in a pickle and you have to get help from friends. If everyone helps to mend the nest, we soon have it right again. 'Cause Bob and Mo played chasey with a crash bang hullabaloo. Bob and Mo knocked the nest to the ground, and they don't know what to do. Boo-hoo, they don't know what to do. Boo-hoo, they don't know what to do.
Bob and Mo are collecting twigs and sticks to make Guy Magpie's new nest.
A,
I said that stick is too big. Oh no.
Sorry.
Ooh.
Jackie Blackbird is in charge of making the new nest. Blackbirds are very good nest builders.
Oh, good. More twigs. Over there, please.
What's Jackie doing?
She's weaving the twigs and sticks together to make the nest.
That's so clever.
The really clever bit is last.
What's that?
Come and see.
What's Herbert doing?
He's collecting the final part of the new nest. Back we go.
The new nest is nearly done. Can you guess what Herbert is putting into it?
Ugh! It's dirt.
No, it's not, Bob. It's mud.
The mud will dry and harden, making the nest very strong.
The mud's dry. The nest is finished.
A marvellous job, Jackie.
Fantastic.
The best nest I've ever seen.
Oh, it's nothing. Right, come on, you lot. Let's go.
Oops, again.
It's Guy Magpie.
Hello, little Bob. What are you doing at my nest?
Nothing, Guy. Certainly not knocking it down and smashing it into pieces.
What an odd thing to say.
If only Guy knew what had happened, eh? That's all from the bird bath for today. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and what fun there's been. See you the very next time at the bird bath.